Here comes my curried mango risotto. First of all, you need to wash your rice thoroughly to get rid of all the starch. Just pat it dry using a clean towel and let it sit aside. In a hot pan, add your coriander seeds, urad dal, chana dal and few red dried chillies. Fry it until it's golden brown and let it sit aside. Once cooled, just throw it into a blender along with some water and blend it until a paste like this is formed. Even blend few mangoes for the mango puree. Along with some water, add your spice paste, mango puree, jaggery, turmeric powder and salt. Just mix it up all well and place it on the stove to heat it. You don't need to boil this solution. Add some rice to your hot pan and toss it well until it's well coated with the oil. This is the lemon solution. Actually, this is a substitute for the white wine and it works well. Just mix it until the rice has absorbed all your lemon juice. Once done, start adding your broth to your rice, one ladle at a time. Do not try to hurry this process, as if you do by adding a lot of broth at a time, it won't cook your rice evenly. And you don't want that. After some time, you'll start noticing that the rice starts cooking, and I know this seems to be a time-consuming process, but it's totally worth it. Once your rice is fully cooked, add some freshly chopped mangoes and cream. Mix it up all well and you're good to go. Serve hot and I know you're going to love it. I hope you liked the video. If you like the recipe, just like, share and subscribe.